The leaked draft opinion has sparked controversy nationwide, both for its content and the fact that it was released in the first place. Tonight, the Verify team finds out if a leak like this has ever happened before. Casey Decker explains.
The Supreme Court has confirmed that a draft opinion on abortion rights leaked to Politico is legitimate. Both the opinion and the fact that it was leaked made huge waves, with many calling the leak unprecedented. But is that really true? Is this the first time a Supreme Court decision has been leaked to the public? Let's verify. Our sources: Time Magazine, lawyer and historian James Robinalt, the New York Daily Tribune from 1852, the Washington Post from 1986, and two law professors, Josh Blackman and Ben Barton. Roe v. Wade was decided on January 22, 1973. Just hours beforehand, this edition of Time Magazine hit newsstands. In it was this article reading, quote, "Last week, Time learned that the Supreme Court has decided to strike down nearly every anti-abortion law in the land." Historian James Robinalt explained what happened in a recent column for the Washington Post. He had previously interviewed the leaker, who said the article wasn't supposed to be published until after the official release. But that release got delayed a few hours, and so Time wound up jumping the gun. But that wasn't the first time a decision leaked. Historian Jonathan Peters said on Twitter an 1852 decision was published 10 days before it was officially announced. We actually found that clipping in the archives of the New York Daily Tribune. It's only a short blurb that reads, "The Supreme Court have decided the case of Pennsylvania against the Wheeling and Belmont Bridge Company in favor of the former party." And finally, one of the more recent examples of a leaked decision comes from 1986, when the court struck down a key portion of a recently passed budget law. Here's an article from the Washington Post at the time, dated July 8th. It reads, quote, "ABC News Supreme Court correspondent Tim O'Brien, in a rare leak from the court June 15th, reported that the law would be struck down the next day on a 7-2 vote, and that Berger was writing the opinion." O'Brien was right about the outcome, but his predicted date was off by a few weeks. So we can verify, no, this is not the first leaked Supreme Court decision. But legal scholars we talked to said it's still an historic occurrence. This is the first time a complete draft opinion has ever been leaked.
Leaking the outcome and even a proposed vote tally is really different than leaking these early versions of the opinion where you're getting the inside voice of the Supreme Court.
Word of decisions has leaked out, and that's unfortunate, but never a draft decision leaked out months in advance. This is simply startling.
With your Verify, I'm Casey Decker.
All right, there you have it. If any other questions about the leaked draft opinion, email verify@13newsnow.com, and our team will work to get you answers.